20 stocks. Diversify your portfolio enough so you do not have all your eggs in one basket. Life is strange, and while a once in a lifetime incident may negatively impact one stock, it is not going to impact all 20 stocks. One stock's deviant behavior among 20 will hardly be noticeable. The 20 stocks is also small enough portfolio that it requires little time to acquire your stocks or to keep an eye on them. I spend perhaps 20 minutes a week monitoring my portfolios. What I find interesting is that many who are intimidated and uncomfortable with the idea of investing in the stock market have no similar hesitation in investing in real estate. They see real estate as understandable, something they can feel and touch. Those seeking a reliable investment income conveniently forget about all the problems associated with investing in real estate that are absent from stock investments. For example, suppose you have inherited $1 million and want to invest it in rental real estate to create a retirement income. You would first have to physically inspect all the properties you would consider buying. This takes a great deal of time and expense. When you finally decide on a property, you need to hire a lawyer to make sure your ownership is properly registered. Since this property was bought to provide income, you now need to find tenants. This requires the expense of advertising and time spent showing the property. Once the tenant is in the property, you must now maintain the property, upgrade it, insure it, pay taxes on it, and collect the rent. How much rent can you get for $1 million property in your area? Let us suppose you can get $5,000 a month or $60,000 a year. This is a 6% return on your $1 million investment. Now, deduct all the previously mentioned expenses and demands on your time for earning this monthly income. Keep deducting most of these expenses for all the years you rent this property. When you sell that property, expect to pay tens of thousands of dollars in real estate sales commissions, lawyers' fees, and taxes. Compare the real estate investment to the $60,000 you would receive in dividend income by investing in dividend stocks. The only expense would be a one-time $180 fee that the bank might charge you for registering and processing all 20 of your shares. If you should ever sell the 20 shares, you should expect to pay the same $180 fee. Some financial institutions would charge you nothing for doing this. Furthermore, while income from a rental property is taxed as normal earned income, the income from dividends in most jurisdictions is taxed at a low rate because the corporation paying the dividend has already paid a tax on its profits. The fear and prejudice that many real estate investors have against stocks is costing them hundreds of thousands of dollars over many years. As I have tried to show, if they adopted a simple dividend stock investment strategy, they would be far better off financially. The typical image they have of stock investing is normally that of a gambler intent on buying a stock at 50 cents that rumors say will soon be worth $50. This game is based on the stock's supposed much hyped potential, not its current profits. This is the same casino thinking that bets on making a fortune by picking the right number on the spinning of a roulette wheel. Unfortunately, no one can accurately predict future share prices. There's always constant conflict in the stock market between optimistic speculators who think the price of a stock is going up and pessimistic speculators who think the price is going down. Almost all stock speculators lose money because of this unpredictability. Unlike dividend investors, speculative investors do not expect or rely on a generous, reliable income from their stock purchases to live on. They will often need to sell stocks to generate enough income to live on. Sometimes that selling price is below their purchase price. Their constant buying and selling of stocks reduce the chances of them ever achieving profits in the stock market. If you have never considered investing in stocks, reconsider your decision. If you keep it simple by investing in the shares of long established, financially strong companies paying high dividends, it can provide a safe, generous, ever growing income and capital gain. Thanks for listening. If you wish more information on investing and stock scoring, please visit my website, www.saferbetterdividendinvesting.com.